Welcome to the Woodland Joint Unified School District Data Confirmation How-To video. In this video, we will go over how to complete the data confirmation process. To access your Parent Portal account, go to the Woodland Joint Unified School District website and click on Parent Portal in the top right-hand corner. The next screen will have you select Parent and Student Portal. Click on that. Enter the email that you have used to create your Parent Portal account, and then hit Next. Enter the password for your Parent Portal account, and then hit Sign In. When you first sign into your Parent Portal account, you will be prompted to complete data confirmation. You will not be able to proceed to any other portions of the Parent Portal account without completing data confirmation. Data confirmation has 9 steps, the first of which is family information. Read through the 2 questions and the available options, and select the one that applies best for your family. Once you are done making a selection, click Confirm and Continue to move on to the next step. The second step of data confirmation is the Family Income Survey. Select how many people are in your household, and then select what your total monthly household income is. Once you've made the selections, click Confirm and Continue. The income information that you submit cannot be edited, so you will be asked to confirm that this information is correct. Hit OK if it is correct to continue on to the next step. The next step of data confirmation is Student Demographics page. This is a student's name, parent guardian name, mailing and residence address, correspondence language, ethnicity, race, and other basic information. If there's anything that you need to edit, click on the Change button at the bottom of the screen to make an edit. If your family has moved since the last time that you completed data confirmation and you make an edit to the residence address, it will not immediately change in the system, but an email will go to the front office staff that oversees address changes, and they will look for the supporting documents in later steps. Once you are done making edits, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Once the information is saved, click Confirm and Continue to move on to the next step. The next step of data confirmation is the contact screen. The contact screen operates in the same way that the old paper emergency cards would. Anyone listed will be considered an emergency contact for the student. Certain contacts can be tagged as primary contacts, like parents and guardians. All parent-guardian contacts require an education level, so when you're editing your contact, make sure to make the appropriate selection for education level. Notification preference is directly tied to Parent Square. Selecting General and Emergency will create a Parent Square account. Any other emergency contact should have Do Not Contact selected. Once you're finished editing, click Save. And once all of your contacts are correct, click Confirm and Continue to move on to the next step. The next step of data confirmation is medical history. This will allow you to edit or remove any previous medical conditions that you have reported to the school. Once you've confirmed the existing medical conditions are correct, click Save. To add any new medical conditions, choose from the list, select the date that it applies to, and then click Save. Once you've saved both options, click Confirm and Continue to move on to the next step. The next step of data confirmation are documents. These are documents that are being provided to you by your school site. These documents will vary by school site, but the example I'm showing you is for a student handbook. Click on the document, and the document will open in a separate screen. When you return to the data confirmation screen, you will see the document is now green. Once all documents have been opened, you can click Confirm and Continue to move on to the next step. The next step of data confirmation is authorizations. These authorizations will vary by school site. Look through the listing and make the appropriate selections, and then click Save. Once your options have saved, click Confirm and Continue to move on to the next step. The next step of data confirmation is requested documents. You will need to provide 2 address verifications. Click on Select Documents to choose a document from your files. Once you've uploaded both documents, click Confirm and continue to move on to the next step. The final step of data confirmation is the final data confirmation. You can go back and review or edit any of the previous steps, except for the income survey. Once everything is correct, click Confirm and continue. Once your information is submitted, you will receive this confirmation screen. You are done with data confirmation.